This is an update on my loofah plants. The plants have grown so much, and I'm happy to say that they now have some fruits. Let me show them to you. Here's one of the many loofah fruits. Here's another one. One more. Here's another one at the bottom. This one was hidden. I didn't notice it until it was quite long already. I will let this one ripen and collect the seeds for next year's garden. They're quite long. I don't think I've seen them this long when I was growing up. Here's the baby one. This one is still skinny. It's no longer a baby, so I'll call it a teenager. I don't think there are any more for now. Hopefully, I'll find some more fruits in a few weeks. Here's the first harvest. I'm also harvesting the jute leaves or saluyot. Here's lunch, rice and dinengding. Unfortunately, my husband doesn't eat dinengding, so more for me. I'm not sure if I overcooked the loofah. I don't cook dinengding often. I always rely on my sisters to cook dinengding. Is this how the loofah is supposed to look when it is cooked? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Again, thank you, and until next time, bye-bye.